I've got a little drawing here. Hopefully it makes sense. If you're looking at the 3 wires that are going to come from the vehicle, you've got 12 volt power for the white running light, a line in from the turn signal positive from the vehicle, and you've got your ground wire. And so those will go, of course, to the 3 wires on the grille bar, which are the red, yellow, just red, yellow, and then the black wire, which I can't find my black marker, so we're going to set them with green for ground. And so these 3 wires over here are what go to the grille bar. Get it out again. These 3 wires here are these 3 wires here. And so to the input of these, you'll have your red wire, which goes to your accessory power, and then black wire's ground, and your yellow wire's turn. So this turn wire is the one that we're really going to look at, because you're going to take this capacitor is this guy. The thing that's most important is this white stripe represents the ground side. So if you don't do the ground on this one, the black wire, you will pop the capacitor. So if you apply positive voltage to this black wire, all capacitors have this kind of mark on them somewhere to tell you which one's the ground side. If you hook it up backwards, you're going to pop it. You're going to pop this guy. It's going to go. All you're doing is taking that capacitor and tying it in to the turn and the ground for your grille bar. What that does is this capacitor will offer a little extra voltage to go to the turn signal. Now, in some cases, like the F-150 that I just worked on, this is 2018, so I think like 2016 and up F-150s, maybe even more than that, seem to have this issue where the grille bar doesn't get enough voltage from the turn signal. So you use this capacitor to give it just a little extra juice to make it actually flash. One thing I did on the F-150 I just worked on was actually added a diode in here so that it didn't feed extra voltage back into the rest of the turn signal circuit for the truck, because when it did that initially, it caused the truck to hyper flash. So I just threw a little diode in here to keep the voltage from this going that way, and it can't go back that way to the rest of the truck. So isolating the circuit there and protecting it, make sure we don't screw up anything on the truck. So that was the fix that I did. I think, again, the biggest thing with these is to make sure that the ground wire goes to the ground and that you don't hook it up to positive. So otherwise, this happens.